So use the chain rule to find dy over dx and express the final answer in terms of x. So for chain rule we will have to find dy over dx. So we'll first find dy over du multiply by du over dx, right? Because if we cancel du, so the remaining will be dy over dx. So for this one, for number 1, we'll find dy over du and then du over dx first. So we have dy over du. So dy over du is equals to 2u plus 1. Similarly, in the du over dx, so derivative of 2x plus 1 with respect to x is just equals to 2. So dy over dx, is equals to 2u plus 1 multiplied by 2. So we'll further simplify. Dy over dx is equals to 4u plus 2, but u in the here is just equals to 2x plus 1. So u is equals to 2x plus 1. So 4. So we'll have dy over dx is equals to 4 multiplied by 2x plus 1 plus 2. So the remaining will be 8x plus 4 plus 2. Right? So we'll simplify. So 8x plus 6. So y prime. So y prime. So dy over dx is equals to, so we'll factor out, so we'll have 2 multiplied by 4x plus 3. So this will be now our final answer. Dy over dx is equals to 2 multiplied by 4x plus 3. So let's check if our answer is correct. So the answer is 2 multiplied by 4x plus 3. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 3. So we'll find, so for number 3, so y is equals to u minus 4 raised to the power of 3 halves. So we'll find first dy over du to find dy over dx, and then du over dx. So we have dy over du is equals to 3 halves multiplied by u minus 4 raised to the power of 3 halves. So 3 halves minus 1 is just equals to 1 half. So derivative inside u minus 4 is just equals to 1. So for du over dx, so du over dx, so we have the derivative is 2x. So we'll combine, so dy over dx is equals to 3 halves multiplied by u minus 4 raised to the power of 1 half, then multiply by 2x. So we'll cancel 2. And then we will have this factored simplified form. So 3x multiplied by u minus 4 raised to the power of 1 half, but u is just equals to x squared plus 4. So u is equals to x squared plus 4. So we have dy over dx is equals to 3x multiplied by x squared plus 4 minus 4 raised to the power of 1 half. So we have dy over dx is equals to 3x. So multiply, so we'll cancel 4. So 4 minus 4 is just equals to 0. So we have x squared raised to the power of 1 half. So after this one, dy over dx is just equals to 3x. So square root of x squared is just equals to x, right? So for the simplification, dy over dx is just equals to 3x multiplied by x is just equals to 3x squared. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So the answer is 3x squared, and our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 5.